What's up? Lego Creeper Spy here. Today I'm going to show you my slime trampoline. Using slime blocks in the new update, snapshot that I'm using, I managed to make this trampoline. What's so convenient is that it bounces when I'm not jumping, and that's the main part of it. Unfortunately, I can't bounce up here. No. Newbie trampolines would probably be more like jump boost only, but I put these slime blocks under here so that when you jump, it will actually bounce you. So that's basically it. If you're wondering what that is, that's something. I was trying to make the trampoline only use jump boost when I was on it, but I still haven't figured out how to do that. Messing around with fat redstone circuits. Really just ridiculous.